Today we're playing ducklings. Oh, just get these ducklings. We are not done yet. Let's get more. Who gets it first? I got his duck. No can do. I'm just gonna get to my home and bring. Oh wait a minute, there are small ducklings here. Here comes the airplane. There are more to be discovered. Let's see how the upgrades are going. Hat unlocked. Let's see. Hum. That one? Just one? Bruh, let's just get more ducks. I'm just gonna cut the video here. I run into a problem. This duck keeps stealing my ducklings. This is enough. Now let's go home. Maybe a mistake. Things right, okay. I'm not a mistake, and I know I can see. I didn't. I'm gonna pack this girlie. Ready here for now, this girlie. Yes, wait a minute. I want to make my pieces. Turkey. Let's get this. How is another hat? I have made a lot of progress. These are not fucking good enough. Now this is good. Let's just stop here. I know that would just happen. Let's just go here and get some more ducklings. Another one. And more gun. Bro, you are just gonna get all my fucking ducklings. I just died. Let's get these. Is my ducklings still there? No one has taken them yet. Oh no, you don't. Give me my ducklings back. Ducklings. Papa is muffin dime as I wanna die. Let's see the new cat. Oh, this is the good one. Let's just go out and seek for more ducklings. Oh, I found one. Another one. Let's just go down here. get this. I just one. And come near playing boy. No, don't go there. And kaboom, let's start going. Adventuring. I meant adventure time. Now there's going to be a ridiculous game. And let me get his ducklings. I got both ducklings. Not know anything to his ducklings. I've gathered them. Let's see if they are any. 5. And we have 56. Let's just pick. Okay, this is great. Great hat. Now let's go. I meant adventure time. If you're wondering, yes, this is Pocky. I don't have the game installed. I'm not a PC player. I'm a mobile player. Da, da, da. Papa, it's muffin time. It's a wonder, our fun. Papa, it's muffin time. It's a wonder, Oh, wait, I have found. Wait, how did everyone get loads of ducks? Bro, the hell? All of them. Now let's just go to my... No, everyone does not follow me. But this... Just being a fun... Meet another hat. See the upgrade. Oh, this is getting greater and greater every fucking second. Let's see the new hat. Okay. Let's just get... Oh, I think these 3 are the last ducklings we are going to get. Because I'm out of... my time is playing here is over. Goodbye.